Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the emoji files and importing them into Alight Motion. First, make sure your emoji are PNG or WebP with transparency so they sit cleanly over video. Once imported, add the emoji to a new layer above your footage and lock the background layer. You should set the project aspect ratio early so scaling behaves predictably. This prevents repositioning later. Then position the emoji roughly where you want it. You'll refine placement in the next steps. You now focus on animation and matching. Add keyframes for position, scale, and rotation to create natural movement. Use easing to soften starts and stops so the emoji feel integrated. Once done, apply a slight motion blur or Gaussian blur when the camera moves to sell realism. Use color correction and hue adjustments to match scene lighting. If you want multiple emoji, duplicate the layer and offset keyframes for staggered timing, making sure to preview and tweak speed so the timing reads. You finish by checking export settings and resolving common issues. Before rendering, review alpha and gamma options so transparent areas remain intact. Choose H.264 for sharing or a lossless codec for editing. If playback stutters, make sure to reduce heavy effects or bake complex animations to a single layer to improve performance. Finally, test the final file on your target device. If colors shift, adjust Export Color Profile and re-export. That usually fixes mismatches between.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.